The launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, and the excitement is building with each new detail that emerges about Samsung's 2025 flagship. While the phone promises cutting-edge specs and features, this time Samsung is also shaking things up with a fresh approach to its color palette. Let's dive into the details of what we can expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its stunning new color option. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a powerhouse, boasting the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4 processor, which promises exceptional performance and efficiency. Photographers and content creators will be thrilled with the upgraded 200-megapixel Samsung HP2 main camera, a periscope zoom offering up to 10x magnification, and an improved 5x zoom camera sensor that promises better clarity and detail. Samsung is also upping the ante with 16 gigabytes of RAM, making the S25 Ultra a multitasking monster and one of the most capable flagship devices of the year. From gaming to productivity, the S25 Ultra is ready to handle anything you throw at it. While internal upgrades are impressive, the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't see a major redesign in terms of its outer appearance. Samsung appears to be reserving a big design overhaul for the Galaxy S26 series, which will reportedly feature the Exynos 2600 processor. This makes 2025 a transitional year for the flagship Galaxy S lineup. That said, Samsung isn't leaving the S25 Ultra untouched. Instead, the company is focusing on refining its aesthetic appeal with carefully curated color options. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be its new color variant, named Titanium Whitesilver. This striking combination is expected to elevate the phone's look, making it a true statement piece among its competitors. According to renowned leaker Ice Universe, the Titanium Whitesilver variant will feature a white front and back with a sleek silver frame. This elegant contrast gives the phone a sophisticated and premium appearance that sets it apart from other flagship devices. Ice Universe described this color as very beautiful, and it's easy to see why. The addition of this color option is part of Samsung's strategy and cater to users who prefer clean and classic designs. While previous models offered vibrant hues like titanium yellow and titanium violet, the S25 Ultra's Titanium Whitesilver brings a timeless and classy vibe to the lineup. If we take a look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra's color lineup, it's clear that Samsung has been experimenting with unique and exclusive shades. The S24 Ultra introduced bold colors such as titanium orange, green, and blue, alongside more traditional options like black and gray. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is refining this approach by offering a wider range of choices for users who prefer simplicity and elegance. The Titanium Whitesilver variant is the perfect example of how subtle details, like a contrasting silver frame, can transform a phone into a style statement. Colors play a significant role in how users perceive their devices, and Samsung is leveraging this to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out for 2025, offering top-tier specs, improved cameras, and a sleek, sophisticated design. The addition of the Titanium Whitesilver color option only enhances its appeal, ensuring that Samsung continues to lead the charge in both innovation and aesthetics. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra as we approach the official launch. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Titanium Whitesilver, and if it's a color you consider for your next phone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news on Samsung's upcoming flagship. Thanks for watching. Showdown between two of the biggest heavyweights in the smartphone world, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both of these phones push the boundaries of mobile technology, offering cutting-edge features and exceptional performance. But which one takes the crown as the best big phone of 2024? Let's dive in and compare them side by side. Design. Starting with the design, both phones have distinct looks that reflect their brand identities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stays true to Apple's iconic rectangular shape with flat sides and soft corners. This year, it features an even slimmer bezel, allowing for a larger 6.9-inch display. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, keeps its sleek, curved edges and integrates the ever-popular S Pen, a feature unique to Samsung's Ultra series. Size-wise, the differences are minimal. The iPhone 16 Pro Max measures 163mm at 77.6mm, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly shorter, but a bit wider at 162.3mm x 79mm. That extra width allows room for the S Pen, which gives Samsung an edge in productivity. Apple, however, introduces something new this year, the camera control button, a capacitive touch key that allows for zooming and other camera controls with a swipe. When it comes to color options, Apple sticks with its sophisticated muted tones, white, black, natural, and the new Desert Titanium. Samsung goes for more variety with options like titanium violet and yellow. And for those ordering through Samsung's website, you get access to exclusive colors like titanium blue and green. Display. Now, onto the display. Both phones deliver top-tier screen technology. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a 6.9-inch OLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. As with the iPhone 15 Pro series, you also get the always-on display feature, which lowers the refresh rate to just 1 Hz when the phone is idle. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't far behind with its stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display that also supports 120Hz refresh rates and an always-on feature. One advantage Samsung brings is an anti-reflective coating, making outdoor visibility much easier in bright sunlight, something the iPhone lacks. Both displays are breathtakingly vibrant, but there are subtle differences in color. The iPhone 16 Pro Max tends to lean towards warmer yellowish tones, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a cooler, more tealish hue. A standout feature for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its ability to drop its brightness to just 1 nit for easier nighttime viewing, great for late-night scrolling. Performance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest A18 Pro chip, built on a second-generation 3nm process. This makes it incredibly efficient, with significant improvements in heat dissipation and sustained performance compared to its predecessor, the A17 Pro chip. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is no slouch either. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, custom-tuned for Galaxy devices. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performs well, especially in gaming and graphics-intensive tasks, it tends to throttle a bit sooner than Apple's A18 Pro under extreme stress. In benchmark tests, the iPhone 16 Pro Max leads in CPU performance, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the edge in 3D graphics, scoring slightly higher in peak performance. However, Apple's new chip excels in long-term sustained performance, so if you're planning on pushing your phone to its limits, the iPhone may have a slight edge. Camera next. Let's discuss one of the most critical aspects of any flagship phone, the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48-megapixel main sensor paired with a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Apple has also introduced a new lens coating to minimize lens flare, addressing a common complaint in previous models. On the flip side, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra brings its camera game with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel zoom lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Samsung has packed in more megapixels, but remember, megapixels aren't everything. The iPhone tends to produce more natural-looking photos, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra sometimes leans into oversaturation, delivering more vibrant images. In low-light photography, both phones perform exceptionally well, but Samsung's larger sensor can capture more detail in some scenarios. For video, the iPhone takes the crown with its 4K recording at 120 frames per second, ideal for capturing stunning slow-motion footage. While Samsung's camera app offers tons of customization, Apple's new camera control button provides a more intuitive experience for videographers. Battery life and charging. In terms of battery life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max packs a 4,685 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra edges it out with a 5,000 mAh battery. Both phones are more than capable of lasting through a day of heavy use, but Samsung's slightly larger battery may give it a slight advantage. When it comes to charging, Samsung takes the lead. The Galaxy S24 Ultra supports 45-watt wired charging compared to the iPhone's 20-watt charging speed. Samsung also has reverse wireless charging, which allows you to charge other devices like earbuds on the back of your phone, something Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't offer. Software. Lastly, let's compare software. Both iOS and One UI are polished, mature operating systems, but they offer different user experiences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for more customization options, better charging speeds, and love the idea of an S Pen, Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the perfect phone for you. Ultimately, both of these phones are top-tier devices with a ton to offer. Whichever one you choose, you're getting a powerful, feature-packed smartphone that will keep you ahead of the curve in 2024.